Hello and welcome to Little Blue Star. I'm Jane Allen and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. This is a card made using our sponge daubers. So Stampin' Up sells sponge daubers, and I just thought I'd share this really quick card to showcase what you can do with the sponge daubers and this little technique. So this is the one we're going to use. This stamp set is from Sale-a-bration, which, if you don't know about at the moment, for every £45 spent here in the UK, you get a freebie. This one is actually for a £95 spend, and you get all these gorgeous sentiments on here, and I just love it. So if you're going to order, you may as well get freebies. Obviously, if you haven't got a demonstrator, I would love to be your demonstrator. You can always shop with me if you haven't got one already. Right, okay, let's get sorted. So I've got the woohoo stamp already mounted. I've got Parakeet Party, which is this gorgeous bright green, so I'm going to tap on there, and you get that colour. So when you do this technique, go for the sort of lighter colour. Excuse my voice, I'm sorry about that. This technique, so stamp it in your lighter colour. So I've gone for the Parakeet Party, which is this gorgeous lime green colour, and then get your dauber and ink it, and then just go across the, keep re-inking, go across the bottom. And I do recommend you keep re-inking, and then obviously you can go as high as you want with your ombre, and it creates this gorgeous, as I say, little ombre effect. It's quite a cute little technique. So let's stamp that down there like that. Now, hope you can see that. Woohoo! So you get that ombre effect there, and then just have fun with the daubers. So I keep my daubers sort of separate for different colours, but you can wash them, but don't obviously use a colour and then dab it straight in another colour, because you sort of contaminate the ink and get a mushy ink colour. So literally you just ink up and then you push down with your finger. That's why I love them, because they fit on your finger. If not, don't worry, you can still just hold them like that and dab down. I do like to come off the page a bit sometimes, so you can just smoosh off the corner like that. And then when you're happy that you've done that colour, you can move on to another colour. So that one there was Orchid Oasis. And then I'm going to go in with a Tahitian Tide, which is another blue, a bright blue colour. And again, you just ink it up and push it down. And if you push it and it's not quite right, just ink it again. You can go over the top and you get a deeper colour. And then I'm going to go in with a Parakeet Party, which is that gorgeous green colour. So ink it up, push it down in there. I just think it's a real fun card, and how easy is it to do? You could make some nice children's cards with it, couldn't you? So that's just woohoo. You can also put some of the other sentiments that go with it. So I've done like You Did It, or what are the other sentiments you could have? So if you had like woohoo to another year or something like that, yeah, so you can do woohoo to you too, woohoo, you did it. So you can do some bits like that. I've actually mounted You Did It, so we could do that as my Orchid Oasis. Probably should have done that first, but hey ho, you live and learn, it doesn't matter. I'm going to pop that there. There we go. And then obviously you just add as much or as little as you like, really. I'm going to go in with a little bit more just there with my Tahitian tied, because I think it's missing a bit there. And then hold it up. Yeah, happy with that. I mean, how simple is that? I love our daubers. You can do different techniques. So yeah, technique of daubing it onto your stamp. You could use a sponge as well, and what I like is you can create these gorgeous circles. And then you just need your base card, which is Parakeet Party. Give it a burnish and then glue it on. Simples. I love a simple card. Good. You could make quite a lot in a short amount of time, couldn't you? And there we have it. There's our woohoo, you did it card. Hope you like that. Thanks for joining me today. As always, please subscribe if you haven't done so already. It really does help me, and it helps me create more of these types of videos. And I'll see you again soon. Thank you. Bye.